Sa dami ng activities ng anak ko, dapat delicious and nutritious ang baon niya. Dapat Tiger with wheat and milk. Sa Tiger, energy ang mabaon mo.
Unleash the power of Bacopa Monnieri in every capsule of Memo Plus Gold.
Good memory makes a difference. For me, the big difference is Memo Plus Gold.
Memo Plus Gold has the enriched standardized extract of Bacopa Monnieri, tested and proven to help enhance short and long-term memory, improve concentration and learning, reduce anxiety and stress for better focus and concentration, and maintain general well-being.
Huwag magpahuli, mag Memo Plus Gold. Lamang ang may gold memory.
New Ariel Complete claims it has the power of bar, brush, and bleach built in. Hirap paniwalaan, di ba? Kaya nag-imbestiga ako at pumunta sa PNG Innovation Center para alamin ang totoo. At sa kanilang tests, napatunayan na totoo nga ang Ariel ay may power ng bar, brush, at bleach. Kaya tanggal ang matitinding mansya na di kaya ng ibang powder, maski may extra products. Kaya tiwala na ako ngayon sa Ariel. Can your detergent beat Ariel Complete?
Ang kate, ang sakit.
Di lang yan, over 75% of common diseases can be caused by just 10 types of germs. Against these 10 threats, PAMED recommends Safeguard with Complete 10 Protection. Scientifically proven to remove 10 types of disease-causing germs by up to 99%. 10 germ threats, 1 protector. Safeguard with Complete 10 Protection.
Vicks VapoRub. Feel fast relief in just 5 minutes for your family. Mula pagkabata hanggang sa paglaki. Vicks VapoRub.
Wow! Cottony pala ang Whisper? Hindi lang yan. Whisper Soft Cottony Cover locks in fluid 2 times better than the leading brand. Soft on skin, yet tough on wetness. The best ever Cottony protection from Whisper.
P&G.
Hello, it's a brand new day.
La 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 la.
Everything's gonna be alright. Oh, hooray for today.
Ako ang gatas. Importante.
Ako ang cereal. Mas kailangan.
Ako ang Sigmavit. Nasa akin ang lahat ng bitamina.
Pinaka-importante ang protina.
Lahat kayo ay importante.
We are all in Energen.
Don't you forget human.
Bakit magaling ngunit mura ang gamot ng RightMed?
Gusto ng RightMed na gumaling kayo. Kaya bawat tableta na gawa ng RightMed, walang kulang. Premium ang pagkagawa. Gawa sa mga modernong pagawaan sa mundo. Magaling na gamot. Dahil gusto ng RightMed na gumaling kayo. Mababa ang presyo para abot kaya, para gumaling kayo. RightMed, gusto naming gumaling kayo.
Subukan ang bagong Baygon Kidlat Katol. Mas pinabagsik ang bisa sa dulo. Kaya pagkasindi pa lang, patay ang lamok dengue up to 3 times faster kumpara sa ibang katol. Bagong Baygon Kidlat Katol.
Bilang nutritionist, madalas akong tanungin, anong growing up milk ang dapat pilhin? One that helps develop the brain or one that strengthens the body? Here's one that does both. New Alaska NutriBuild 345 para sa mga batang over 3 to 5 years old. It's the one with an age-specific formula that helps support brain and body development. New Alaska NutriBuild 345 para sa mga batang isip winner, kilos winner.
Sometimes we feel unstoppable. Sabak lang ng sabak. Di natin alam, tinamahan na tayo ng bad cholesterol that may cause heart problems. Bata o matanda, tinatablan. Ayon sa FNRI, 17% of Filipinos in their 20s have borderline to high cholesterol. At tumataas ito in their 50s. Kaya bago sumabak, start your day with Del Monte Heart Smart. With US FDA-approved Reducol that helps lower cholesterol in 8 weeks. Sa mga unstoppables, every day must start with Del Monte Heart Smart.
I think it's innovative and breakthrough technology. I've never heard of anything like this before. Sensodyne Repair and Protect is able to help repair the sensitive parts of the tooth. The tiny little holes in the dentine are responsible for the pain. Sensodyne Repair and Protect with the advanced Novomen technology is able to help repair sensitive parts of the tooth. I recommend Sensodyne Repair and Protect to help repair and protect their tooth sensitivity.
Find out if you have pangingilo. Free screening at SM Mall of Asia Music Hall Friday, February 15.
25 years of caring for millions of Filipinos from all walks of life, all over the country, providing essential world-class medicines through 25 years of pharmaceutical excellence. The most prescribed unit-branded generics. Celebrating our first 25 years of life. Insist on Pharax.
Ronald and friends are back.
Yay!
Let's play!
There's table hockey, action spinner, micro propel car, birdie pen.
Time to collect all the McDonald's Happy Meal toys!
What's funny there?
I'm gonna put a whooping on you. Are you crazy? Die Hard.
Saan man sa Pinas, pwede kang mahulugan ng yaman. Sa Maggie, milyon-milyon yaman sa Magic. 4 million ang ipamimigay. Tig 1 million sa Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao at NCR. Pati tindahan, may premyo. Ilaki pang Maggie product pack with your contact details, suking tindahan at ihulog sa Dropbox. Pag Magic sinigang ang entry, doble pang panalo. Kaya sali na!
Nestle, good food, good life.
Dati, pag may ubo si Juliana while on the go, ang daming dapat baunin. Pero ngayon, I can give her the cough syrup that's also on the go. Ascoff Lagundi, now in sachet. Just stir and sip. At ang Ascoff, clinically proven safe and effective magpaginhawa ng ubo. Wala pang side effects. Ang galing, oh!
Thanks, Ma!
For cough, ask for Ascoff, now in sachet. Also in strawberry and menthol from Pascual Lab.
Hey, 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 hey.
Resorts World Manila.
Piglet diarrhea.
Paano na yan?
This is a job for Upralite. Upramen!
Number 1 sa bilis.
Tamang dosage, walang sangaraw, unang dumi.
Number 1 sa bisa.
Tinuloy-tuloy kong gamit, kaya balik sigla at wala nang scarring.
Number 1 na pinagkakatiwala.
The best ang Upralite.
Subok ko na to.
Salamat, Upralite.
Triple Action Afrolite, the number 1 fast-acting formula kontra piglet diarrhea. Gawa ng Univet.
Want a snack, my darling Sinta? Skyflakes, pinalaman na ng kondensada.
Ang paboritong palaman at ang Skyflakes ng bayan. Nasa isang kagat na. Skyflakes Kondensada. Yan ang Pinoy palaman.
Ah, Lucky Meat Chicken, Mommy? Beef? Eh, ano ba to?
Ano pa? Edi Lucky Me Pork Ribs. May sarap ng pork ribs na pinalambot hanggang kumatas ang linamnam. Kaya rich in flavor. Lucky Me Pork Ribs. The best ever, Mom.
Tayong dalawa pa rin. Ang bagay na
Concert Harana, yan ang Streetwise. Ito pa ang Streetwise. KFC Streetwise Box. $2.99 na lang. May 6 pieces chicken na. Naka-KFC na ang buong family. Minimum gastos, maximum saya. So good.
Welcome to Dasoland in Dasol, Pangasinan. Discover delightful flora and fauna amidst the lush and hush of nature. Go to the extreme by dipping into some action-packed outdoor fun like swimming, biking and skating, boating, playground fun, mini golf, wildlife encounters, and so much more. Complete with accommodation facilities so you can enjoy a relaxing time with us. There's an adventure waiting for the whole family at Dasoland.
kakaibang Richard at Solen ang makikita nila dito sa Seduction. Si Sara Labati naman, her first acting piece, mahusay. Congratulations sa Regal Films, Direk Peke, and to the whole cast. 2 thumbs up.
It's so well directed and so well shot. I'm so impressed.
Kung makikita niyo yung other side of Selena, hindi pa nakikita ata sa ibang movie na.
Sobrang galing ni Chard.
Seduction, the best.
Siyempre sobrang ganda. Sana po panoorin niyo.
When choosing between love and desire,
It exceeded my expectations. Sarah deserves so much credit. Chard deserves a standing ovation. Solen deserves an award. Surprising, nakakagulat talaga yun.
And of course, yung Direk Peke. He still has it.
Panoorin niyo pong Seduction. It's a very unexpected ending. Ilang beses akong napaiyak at ilang beses akong nagulat.
Seduction.
Seduction now on its second week.
Handa? Ino? Gawa! May magagawa tayo sa ating mundo. Kung tayo sama-sama, kayang-kaya natin to. Handa, Ino, gawa! Handa, Ino, gawa! Handa, Ino, gawa! Handa, Ino, gawa!
At the Asian Academy of Television Arts, we recognize talent and we hone it to be better than best. Don't be just anybody. Enroll now at the Asian Academy of Television Arts.